Welcome to our in-depth analysis video. Today, our team will join you in dissecting the comprehensive operational system of a confectionery giant, Orion Foodvina, through the lens of operations management. For those who may not know, Orion Foodvina is a direct subsidiary of the prestigious Orion Group from South Korea. They officially invested and commenced operations at their manufacturing plants in Vietnam back in 2005. Over more than 20 years of deep-rooted growth, Orion has transformed itself into one of the most familiar, highly recognized, and trusted food brands among Vietnamese consumers. This success stems from their exceptional execution of a hybrid business model. On one hand, Orion deploys a B2C model directly serving millions of consumers through a highly dense distribution network. On the other hand, they fully capitalize on the B2B model, providing corporate gifting solutions and seasonal customized products for businesses, schools, and organizations. Their product portfolio is incredibly robust, anchored by 4 flagship categories: traditional pies under the Choco Pie and Custas brands, Gaute Premium Biscuits, O-Star and Toonie's Potato Snacks, along with various modern candy lines. With 2 large-scale manufacturing plants in Binh Duong and Bac Ninh, Orion has established an exceptionally solid production foundation. So, just how powerful is the distribution network and the financial health backing this system? Let us find out with Dung in the next segment. Looking at Vietnam's confectionery market, Orion holds a dominant position in the packaged pie segment, commanding an estimated market share of over 50%. This leadership reflects years of strong brand building and consistent product quality. Although Orion competes with major brands such as Mondelez Kinh Do, Lotte by Bika, and H-Letterwanef UNGH-Letterwanecb, it continues to outperform them by maintaining high consumer trust, product consistency, and a powerful brand reputation. Behind this success is a well-structured distribution system built around 4 key channels: traditional trade, modern trade, business-to-business, and e-commerce. Among them, the traditional trade channel, with hundreds of thousands of grocery stores and retail outlets nationwide, remains the company's primary revenue driver. Orion's competitive advantage lies in its extensive market coverage and highly efficient supply chain management. This operational excellence is clearly reflected in Orion Vietnam's financial performance. Net revenue has grown consistently over the past 3 years, increasing from VND 3.4 trillion in 2022 to nearly VND 4.6 trillion in 2024, demonstrating strong and sustainable business growth. Orion also maintains an impressive gross margin of 35 to 38%, significantly above the industry average. Thanks to economies of scale and efficient cost management, with low financial leverage, strong operating cash flow, and an EBITDA margin of 20 to 22%, Orion has established itself as a highly efficient cash-generating business with a solid financial foundation for future expansion. Hello everyone, we have just looked at Orion's strong financial performance. Now, let us look at its production process, which is one of the main reasons for the company's success. At Orion's factories, products are made using a highly automated mass production system. This system helps the company produce a large number of products while keeping good quality and high efficiency. To make a high-quality product, Orion follows a standard operating procedure, SOP, with 9 main steps: raw material preparation, dough mixing, shaping and baking, cooling, marshmallow filling, chocolate coating, tunnel cooling, primary packaging, and cartoning and warehousing. Following the same SOP for every product helps Orion keep product quality consistent, reduce production mistakes, and improve the overall efficiency of the factory. The results of this production system can be seen in Orion's performance. First, the company's production yield is estimated to stay above 95%. This means that more than 95% of the products meet the required quality standards. Another important indicator is overall equipment effectiveness, O. Orion SOEE is between 75% and 80%, which is considered a very good level in the fast-moving consumer goods, FMCG industry. This shows that the company uses its machines efficiently and is able to produce high-quality products. However, from an operations management point of view, Orion still has some problems that need to be improved. The first problem is that batch management and product tracking in its traditional distribution channels still depend partly on manual paperwork. Because of this, it is difficult to monitor products and inventory in real time. The second problem is that Orion has not fully applied the RASI responsibility assignment matrix in its production support and logistics departments. This may cause unclear responsibilities or overlapping tasks, especially during busy production periods. Even so, Orion still has a strong reputation for product quality and food safety. The company follows international standards such as ISO 22000, HACCP, and HALAL certification to make sure its products are safe and reliable. So, how can Orion solve these problems and improve its operation? Although Orion possesses a strong operational foundation, it still faces several strategic risks. The first is seasonality risk, as revenue is heavily concentrated during major festive periods such as the Lunar New Year and the Mid-Autumn Festival. The second is logistics risk, arising from high domestic transportation costs and the complexity of managing an extensive distribution network. The third challenge lies in the digital transformation of traditional distributors and retail agents. Finally, Orion is exposed to fluctuations in the global prices of key raw materials, including wheat flour, sugar, and palm oil. These factors may directly affect operating costs, production efficiency, and the company's ability to sustain profitability. From a business valuation perspective, based on market data and assumptions used for academic analysis, Orion Foodvina's enterprise value is strongly supported by its consistent revenue growth, increasing from approximately VND 3.4 trillion to nearly VND 4.6 trillion. With a gross profit margin consistently maintained between 35% and 38%. Together with a benchmark EBITDA margin of approximately 20%-22%. The company demonstrates exceptional cash flow generation and highly efficient operations. Its conservative capital structure, characterized by low financial leverage and a high degree of financial independence, significantly minimizes financial risk and enhances the firm's long-term intrinsic value. These indicators reflect a large-scale business model with substantial competitive advantages, justifying a premium valuation within the FMCG industry. Based on the valuation results and operations management analysis, the strategic recommendation for Orion is to continue allocating resources toward optimizing its value chain while protecting profit margins. Specifically, the company should focus on 3 key initiatives. First, it should accelerate the digitalization of inventory management and product traceability through the implementation of RFID technology, QR codes, and real-time data platforms. Second, it should develop and standardize a responsibility assignment framework using the RASI matrix model to improve internal coordination and accountability. Third, Orion should diversify its product portfolio to reduce dependence on highly seasonal products. Implementing these operational improvements will not only optimize costs, but also strengthen the company's competitive advantage, maximize investment returns, and support sustainable long-term growth.